Hey there, sitting on the other side of this video. Hi, this is Darshan Jain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is the Indian Developer. In this video, let me address three well-known questions that people generally have when they want to get into machine learning or data science. So the first question is how to learn machine learning concepts. I'm sure you must be having this doubt in your mind when you started learning machine learning. Second question is what should be my approach? By approach, I mean that there are thousands of websites on the internet giving coaching related to machine learning or data science, and there are hundreds of ebooks available. Also, there are many YouTube channels giving coaching on machine learning and data science. So, out of all of those things, what should be my approach to learn data science or machine learning? And the third and most important question is how to apply the concepts learned and make a product or a real world application out of it. So if you have these three questions in your mind, you are watching the right video, and be with me till the end of the video so that your doubts can get cleared. Now the approach mantra that I propose here is to learn things only and only when required. Now what does that mean? So let me give you two comparisons. So there is one approach known as normal approach. This is that approach that we've been taught since our childhood, in our school days, in our college days, or in general, anywhere where you learn, you will be given an index and you have to follow things step by step. And by the end of the series of things that you do, you will be able to learn something, or you will be able to say it to yourself that I have mastery in this particular subject. And you may get some certificates as well. And at the end of everything, you will be in a situation to develop a real world project. But the problem here is a lot of people subscribe for learning things. They make a plan of 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 16 weeks to learn things, and they successfully also complete the learning in 8, 12 or 16 weeks. But the problem here is very simple. Even I subscribed for a course on a website, and it is a very well-known website, and it was around 8 to 12 weeks course, and since I was working and I was completing that course, it took me around 13 to 15 weeks to complete that course on machine learning. By the end of 15th week, I had a certificate in my hand, and the biggest challenge out there for me was to compile the knowledge and to apply that in the real world and make a project out of it. With that approach also, it took a lot of time for me to learn things and implement things. Suppose if I give you another approach, which is you start with the project, you understand the requirements, you list down the things that you need to learn, you learn those things, you implement those things, and then you see results at your end, and you repeat the above steps for all the new concepts that you want to learn. So the approach one, that is the normal approach, is been taught to us since our childhood. The new approach is something that I am proposing now. If you want to learn with the new approach, you can watch all the videos that I'll be uploading on my YouTube channel. I know the second approach is a bit different and it will take time for you to get used to it, but I guarantee you that if you stick to the new approach, you will see results in very short span of time, and that will for sure help you a lot to shorten your journey to become machine learning engineer or a data scientist. So the approach of the Indian Developer YouTube channel is to learn things only and only when required. We can also put it this way, that we should learn things only and only when we can apply those learning in the real world project right away. So to learn things with this concept, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of the videos that I'll be uploading. Also, if you are active on social media, that is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn, and I'll be posting the links to my accounts out there. Let's connect there as well. Also, if there's any of your friend who is studying machine learning or data science, I request you to share this video, precisely the approach given in this video, to them. I'm sure that this approach will help them to learn things quickly. Thank you.